We're out cycling today to Rudyard Reservoir and come across these, and they're about 12 inches diameter mushrooms. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. Just come up this hill and even full assist the bikes. Well, my bike wouldn't do it, it's too steep. And this is a view looking down. And that's a reservoir we were at the other day down in the valley there. Tittisworth or Tittiswell Reservoir. And we're going to Rudyard Water, as in Rudyard Kipling. So I've just come past. Yeah, I've got to get up over this hill yet, and hopefully be down. It's a pity these bikes don't charge the battery on the downhill stretch, but we've still got 4 lights, haven't we? Yeah, but it might be more gradual. Yeah. How many miles do you think it is?
About 6.
6 miles, yeah. But with these hills, it's going to do the batteries in, isn't it? Right, we're on the top. We think it's Gunmore. Are we all going the right way? Oh, we're there. 385 metres we are. We'll come up that hill. Part walking, part electric. And this is a view. Looks like it's raining over there, dear. I hate to say it. Gosh, cool. How you doing? You wearing out? Has it got this reservoir on it? Oh, Rudyard Reservoir. And we are down here somewhere, aren't we? No, we're up here. There's Gun Plantation.
We've come up from Merebrook, haven't we?
Yeah. So we come from Tittisworth,
Yeah.
Merebrook.
I think we've, not sure, we're probably off the map there.
No, I think on that red line.
Dear, this orange.
Yeah, that comes from Merebrook, doesn't it?
Okay.
And keep going up, we need to be on the next page. You want the gun?
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, we need to be on the next page.
385.
Arrow.
Yeah, but which road are we on?
This one that goes off the map, so we want to see the next
Or
page.
where?
Yeah. Yeah, we want the next bit.
So we've got to go down like that. It's a bit complicated, isn't it?
Where are we?
So on this one,
Comes up to, yeah, and it goes.
got to go to Red Shore.
Yeah. You've got to go up to that junction and turn left then. That's right, come back onto this map.
And
We're coming down there.
Towards the reservoir.
Yeah, or did we come all this end? Yeah, turn it over again. Or do we come along here to Rycroft and come down that road rather than go that one and then I don't know. It would happen to be on this Rycroft, you see.
Yeah.
what's this? Rudyard Station. Nice little place. Don't look like anything's happening. Suppose it's probably only open weekends, isn't it? Lake and Rudyard Railway it's called. Well, we've finally arrived. Rudyard Reservoir. It's been a bit of a struggle, but we're here. Just go across the bridge to the visitor centre. And this is the dam. God, this is low as well, isn't it? Oh, there's a view for you. And there's a boathouse on the right hand side. And I think you'd need a step ladder. The water's that low. People in canoes. And one thing or another.
Victorian time.
He was. You don't know who he was there?
I call it Orlando or somebody.
Orlando, is it? Oh, okay. I don't think they call it a reservoir. I think they call it Rudyard Lake. And there's the boathouse there, which is way out of the water. Just had cake and coffee at the visitor centre. I've got a bike locked up, and I'm going for a little walk. I thought I'd introduce you to our next motorhome. We wanted a small one. Yeah, this will do. It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, we're going to get one of those then. Can't get it in camera. Yeah, I think we need one of those. That's a lovely little vehicle. Water running. What's up here then? What is that? I've no idea.
Can't really make it out.
No, don't know what it is. I don't know where we're going. Let's go up here then. There's a big red button. Why would you have a big red button sort of in a wooden box on a tree? Yeah. Well, it's like lights, illuminates. There's tree spirit right up there. You can't see it, it's too high. What's this here?
I presume this is the fitness area.
Yeah. Looks like you can have barbecues up here. Weird. Like a play area. Yeah, it's a bit weird, isn't it? And then a dilapidated barbecue thing, you know. It's a bit, it certainly is weird. I prefer the other, the Titswell, or Titsworth Reservoir. It's very nice.
Charming. It's you can tell it was a Victorian thing, can't you? You know, the Victorians used it as a leisure thing.
Did they?
Walking and sailing.
Well, why would you want a glass box up a tree?
I don't know what that is.
Oh, I've not got a clue. Is it to do with Rudyard Kipling's stories or anything? Oh, look.
I've never seen that.
Look.
Pretty,
They're rubbery.
yeah.
Don't know what sort of mushy they are. Yeah.
Did you do that red one?
Yeah. Yeah, massive.
What's good about them? They were so fresh, weren't
Yeah.
they?
Yeah. There's steps down here. So it's all a bit neglected, this bit, isn't it? Nice spooky tree. Nice old boy. It's not very child friendly, is it? Got jagged bits of metal.
Yeah, it's a bit like needs a bit of attention, isn't it?
Yeah, neglected. And look, why would you have a whopping great red button with a chain round it? Oh, I don't know.
Perhaps it was lighting of some sort.
Well, it could be. There's some.
No.
Yeah, those bird boxes up there have got lights in them. So, yeah, strange. And there's a chain here, and somebody's made sort of an arch. Oh, like there.
I think it's a Halloween bit.
Oh, certainly. And this goes up and goes up there. Oh yeah, something up there as well. Yes. Look. More mushrooms. There's some more there. Look at that. Look, there's a big one there, look. Sticking out there. It's all a bit ugh. Now, I still don't know why you would have a glass box. Don't get it, sorry. I don't know what that's all about. It looks like it's got ornaments in it or something. Or toys.
It's got condensation in it, so you can't really see it.
It's got green slime down the glass. Ooh. Anyway. And that side of the wall, there's a path. Well, we've got a nice spot here. It's very windy. I'm high up again.
The farm is called Gunside Farm.
Gunside Farm. Yeah.
Went up the back of it.
Yeah, the other side. Yeah. And there's the roaches. Oh, those lumpy bits. This is a nice back road, this one. A couple of farm vehicles, that was it so far.
I was thinking when we were coming, we were never going to get back up here.
No. No, it's a long walk as well. Right.
We might make it.
You think we might make it back, yeah. It's a good test for the bikes.